Hi Global Class, this is Mr. Germain's Canvas course and we are going over the last module within this course. It is going to be towards the bottom and it's the Agricultural Revolution. Again, two assignments that need to be submitted. First one is a reading and a questionnaire. We've discussed in previous videos of opening up both documents so that way you can use the reading as you are answering the questions. Once you've got the document open, drag one document to one side of the computer, and then get that second document opened and enabled so you can type in it, and drag it to the other side. That way you can look back and forth as you are answering the questions. Your reading is going to focus in on the Agricultural Revolution. We have the open field system, the Enclosure Act, the effects of the revolution, and the inventions and methods. This one goes over the seed drill, the four-field system of crop rotation, new plows, and selective breeding of animals. Make sure that you are pulling from this reading to be able to respond to those questions. Make sure to also save the document to your computer before you hit the exit button, so that way you can go back and find the document and upload it into Canvas. Your last and final assignment for the entire course and this module is going to be a document question response. I've given you some sentence starters that you can pull out of Canvas by clicking on this little brown link at the top. And just like in the previous example, once the document opens, enable the document so that way you can be able to type within it. I made this a little bit easier for some of you by giving you the sentence starters, but I also underline and bold what it is that you are supposed to be focusing in on. Question number 1 is going to want to know the claims. In other words, what is the author saying? The author is saying, the author is claiming, and then finish that sentence off. Your evidence is going to be info from the document that supports what the author is trying to say, what they are trying to claim. Evidence from the document that supports the author's claim include blah 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 blah. This third box, as you can tell, I have given you no sentence starter because you are physically pulling out words or phrases, actual sentences or words from the document that the author uses to try to convince you or I that he or she is right. And then last but not least, what information does the author leave out? That means, what do you know about this time frame that the author does not mention? And you're going to respond by saying the author left out details about fill in the blank. Again, save this document to your desktop and then upload it into Canvas. You will have to go back to the module towards the bottom and click on the one that contains the point systems so that you can submit underneath that title. You can't submit here. Once you are finished with your assignments, you can double check with Mr. Germain on how things have gone in your courses. If you have any questions or concerns about submitting, please make sure that you're asking.